Good morning, it's Morgan from the CheekyHomemaker.com, where we cook, clean, stay on budget, and journey through motherhood together. I'm sitting here at the table with my kids. This morning I was about to whip myself up some ricotta cheese for breakfast with some berries, and I mentioned it in my lasagna video. I thought I would just pop on and show you guys how I do it. I have my ricotta cheese here in a bowl, and I get mine from a local deli down the street. I prefer it to the stuff in the grocery store, but anything you have is fine. Now, you can skip this step, but I think it just makes it like a little breakfast treat. I do add a little sugar, so just a small amount, not a ton. There, probably about right. And then a teensy bit of pure vanilla extract. I've got the big old bottle from Costco. It's a great deal there. You'll find I am quite a Costco shopper. So we just mix that up.
That was good, Mama.
Oh, it is good, baby. You had this yesterday, Bug. Now you can use whatever berries you want. You can do a mix of berries. That's really great. I happen to have blueberries on hand this morning, so I'm just going to throw some of those in. Just mix them in, and there's breakfast full of protein. It'll keep you full for a long time, and antioxidants from the berries. If you're new here, we should be friends, so don't forget to like my video and subscribe to my page so we can keep in touch. You can also find me at thecheekyhomemaker.com, as well as on Facebook, Pinterest, and Instagram at The Cheeky Homemaker. Hope to see you soon. Bye.